Here's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Experience it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.